What do you smell? Something good? Are you making coffee? You want? What? You like coffee? I love coffee. Well, I have to grind the beans first, okay? Okay, hurry up and make me some coffee. So, this is the coffee grinder, Little World. Probably better translated would be Old World. And this is it. All you have to do is unscrew this top screw and put the handle on. And today I'm going to use my Zancona Roast Cafe, which I love. So let's try this bad boy out and see what goes on. Let's see what it does. So what you do is take some coffee beans, and I haven't used this yet. It has a little drawer down below. I'm kind of in the iffy department if my coffee's going to land in there. But let's hope. Let's hope, let's hope, let's hope. Because I don't want my good coffee lost forever. So you put your beans up in here. And again, I have not even used this one yet. It's fresh out of the box. Let's see. I can tell you that I love the way coffee beans smell. Hey, come back here, you beans. They smell so good. Too bad you just couldn't eat them. Oh, wait, okay. Well, I see it's working because I see the coffee beans moving in a downward motion. Let's see what's going on in this drawer. Please, please, please don't be all over the place. Ah, it's all in the drawer. I'm so happy. There's a little bit on the upside of the drawer, but there is none inside. Well, I mean, there's a tiny bit. But there was major complaints on the, I guess you would call it the older model of this one, that it wasn't going in the drawer. See what's going on inside. Still going in the drawer. So if this is a pretty fine grind, if you wanted to change your grind into a coarser grind, all you would do is unscrew this, take these pieces here off, and then unscrew this down here a little to loosen up the ceramic grinder piece. You know what? I think I have this on upside down. I think. I don't know. What do you think? No, because then that would be... I keep seeing like a screw fall out. It looks like... I can't... I don't know. See that little piece that keeps coming out here? I'm going to try it the other way and see if maybe it's supposed to go that way. Because, you know, like I said, I never even touched this sucker before. So that's not going to work because... But let me look at it. And see if there's a way to tighten that. And there is not. It is a... I don't know what the name of this kind of screw is, but... It's kind of just like pressed into it and it locks. So there is no, as long as that doesn't come off, as long as this piece doesn't fall out, it's fine. have been grinding with this, and although it does work, it doesn't work fantastically. The coffee does land in the drawer, and barely any is getting inside. But I am worried about its future, because for its price, this here, you cannot fix it. If this falls out, it's done for. And then you won't have a way to grasp this. This would seem like it's really mainly like a showpiece. I don't know. It's not just this that is making me iffy about it. It's just that it just doesn't feel, sturdy. It's taking a very long time to grind the beans. I can't shake it up. Like sometimes you can shake the beans to like reposition them. If I shake it too much, I'm going to mess up the coffee in the drawer. So, although it does work, I kind of feel like it's priced too high, you know? And I got it at a discount. I had a coupon, and so, but I still paid, I think I paid like $12 for it. So I probably would not pay $12 for this. But now, if this is what you need to make the design in your kitchen or whatever, your coffee shop, I mean, this is a really nice showpiece. It would look great on a shelf in your coffee area to like complete the theme. But definitely, this is not something that you're going to make your, you know, grind your coffee in every day. It is taking a long time. We've already got some issues going on here with this, which I'll probably glue it up in there. But like I said, if this somehow breaks and it's out, then this is junk, because there's no way of, it's not a regular screw or bolt. So there's just there's like a few minor things here. Also, we have some chipping and just some chips here and there. Nothing major, but definitely this is, in my opinion, a novelty kind of thing. It takes too long. Although it is landing in the drawer, you're definitely going to need this full. And I mean, I've been at this for some time now. And then, of course, I paused it, and now I'm back again. But so the pluses is it's cute. It would make a great theme kind of decoration for your coffee spot, your coffee shop, your coffee themed counter area. Just something to look really cute in your kitchen. But this is definitely, although it does work, I would not use this as my everyday coffee grinder. It looks cute. It's a nice theme. It's a novelty gift. If you have somebody who loves coffee and, you know, it may look nice on their counter or something, I don't know, but it's definitely more like a novelty. They have different styles. They're all adorable. They have directions on adjusting the grinder, by the way. But I grind mine fine. So the grind is set just right for me. But like I said, it's like a novelty, and it's just not in the best of shape, with some nicks already fresh out of the box. You know, some stuff going on that needs some touching up. The little bolt thing is falling out. There's no way to screw it back in. It is just hanging there. I will probably glue it. But but that's about it. It is adorable. It's just not worth, like I said, I think I paid like $11.99 for it with a coupon, and I would never pay $11.99 for this again. Alrighty, sorry to be such a bummer. Okay.